Hey guys, so welcome back to the video. Today I have a great announcement and it's very cute. Let me show you. Today I got something. Sorry, my finger's in the way. I have a great thing. A cat!
Meet Luna.
Yeah, it's Luna. You'd be like, oh god, you don't have a cat. You're just taking care of it. It is my cat. We named it Luna. It's black and white, and it likes to play a lot, as you see. This morning, actually, like in the morning, she was following me all over the place, and she's adorable. Yeah, look at those big whiskers. Those whiskers are too. Look at how big the whiskers are. They're like so big. Yeah, so guys, that's all for today. We are gonna end the video right now. I hope you subscribe, click the bell, give this a like. No thumbs down, always likes. So,